Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's the 25th of May, Memorial Weekend. All right, let's talk about the Zukul bot. The bot. It does what it says. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Even though we're in a down market, I mean, crypto has been going down. Market manipulation. But guess what? The regulators are coming out. The regulators are coming out. They're going to regulate crypto, and nobody can manipulate it anymore. So they think. Uh, wanted to give an update on this. I made another bot, um, and if you're new here, you're probably not going to understand some of the things I say. But you keep watching, keep learning, and learn your bot. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Study your bot. Go to YouTube, type in Zukul trading bot, watch videos. Don't just watch me. Watch other people. Watch their tactics of what they're doing. You don't just want to be in one coin, but if you only have the money just to be in one coin, that's fine. You got to start somewhere. And it's going to take you about 15 days worth of trading to come. You'll start getting a strategy. And you might say, strategy? I thought the bot buys and sells for you. Yes, the bot buys and sells for you, but I'll tell you a strategy that I figured out. You definitely want to have. So when I first set up my bot, I didn't put a lot of lots. Now, what lots are? Let's just say you have $100 and you want to have 10 lots. Well, what that bot's going to do is going to trade 10 separate. It can trade 10 separate trades at $10 a piece. So that means you can have 10 trades going on at one time for $10 on each trade. Now, you might be up here in the ball. Let's just say it used all your 10 lots right here, and then the market took a dive. Well, you got two options there. You have to either wait for the market to come back up, which it will, and to give you profit, or throw some more money in, make a new bot, and start trading at these levels right here. And that's exactly what I did. Um, and as you can see, it bought right here, it bought right here, it bought right here, and now we're consolidating. And what this is telling me is that the market's going to go up. And when I make my daily video tomorrow, we'll see exactly where this is, where it went. My guess is it's going to go up as we're in a consolidation right now. And I didn't want to wait. I've been waiting a couple weeks with Ethereum. I think since I haven't had a trade with Ethereum since the 7th. Now, my bot's gonna be different from y'all's, and why that is because I got separate. My, how much money I have in Ethereum is probably gonna be different from yours. How much I want to receive back on my return on investment is gonna be different than yours. So it's a lot of factors that comes into play. But you definitely want to test the spot out. And if you bought the bot and happen in this down market right here, you're probably holding some bags. Do not let that discourage you whatsoever. Oh, I got in and I'm holding bags. I haven't had any sales. That's because the market's going down. And holding bags is a good thing. You're in trades. The market's going to go up and knock you out in those trades and give you profit. It's just a matter of time. It's a waiting game. And like I said, you got to have patience. If you don't have patience, you shouldn't be in trading whatsoever. And then you want to start getting as many trade out of cryptocurrencies you can. We're going to have gold. We're going to have Forex. We're going to have diamonds coming up. They got to test those bots out. I'm not trading with a lot. I'm just testing this thing out before I'm buying. So my strategy right now is I'll hold some money back just in case that if we did take a dive like we have for the past few weeks and definitely this week, and I'm out of lots to trade, then I could throw more money in and it'll trade me at this level right here until the bot goes back up. And it's just gonna take time. Don't let it discourage you that if you just got in during the down market. I know a lot of people, they think they're gonna get rich quick or whatever. You know, if you have a lot of money, if you have a few $1,000s into this bot or account trading, your accounts, you know, a few $1,000s to trade on, yeah, you're gonna make a pretty good daily income off of it. But if you don't, and you're trading with a couple $100s, compound, build your account up to where it's bringing you uh, daily income to where you want it. You know, if you want it $50 a day, just build up to where this bot's making you about $50 a day, and then cash out every day. Um, what I'm doing is I'm compounding and I'm testing. I learned my lessons before. Uh, don't go all in. Test, and that's exactly what I'm doing. As you can see right here, I made this ETH2 bot, and I'm gonna throw some more money. I'm gonna get me LTC, BCH, LTC. I've been getting a few trades off of that each day. Not each, I might skip a day. Let's just take a look at it. See, everything's going down. That's consolidating too. You see the bags I'm holding right here? That don't scare me whatsoever because I know it's going to go back up. No, it's going to go back up. It's not. Nothing's going to stay down forever. Nothing, especially Litecoin. Litecoin is going to be one of those that surprise us at the end by the end of the year. When you're holding back, I mean, it's good to hold backs. I mean, don't let that scare you. Don't let that scare you whatsoever. Let's look what the bot has done. Now, these were bags at sometimes, and then they got knocked out into profit. Well, let's look. The 12th, I had 3 trades. The 13th, 2. 14th, 3. Didn't do one on the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. Didn't do one on 19th. Did it on 20, not 21st, 22nd. So there's a couple times where I didn't trade one day, but made another trade the second day. So and the bot don't make losing trades for you. It makes winning trades. It will not sell a losing trade. Now, if you're just getting started with this and you don't know how to set up your bot, what you want to do is you want to go to the getting started area right here and click start trading with today with GDAX. This is probably the best broker to go with is Coinbase and GDAX. What you need to do is you need to set up Coinbase first and then go to GDAX and it'll link it together. And then come here and click getting started and go to the start trading today with GDAX. And what that's going to do is that's going to bring up some videos, and you follow each video. Each video is not long. I think the longest is 8 minutes, and the rest of them are like 2-3 minutes. It's just going to show you how to link your API keys up. That way, the bot can connect with your trading account and make the trades for you. Now, definitely one thing that I wanted to show people because they definitely get confused on this. Okay, once you send your Bitcoin from Coinbase over to GDAX, you got to turn that into fiat money. Now, there's a video that shows you how to do that, but everybody who's got the bot, you know, they get confused on this. So, excuse me, Wi-Fi connection is not that good right now. I'll wait for that load up. No, I'm waiting for that load up. Let me tell you my situation here. See, I'm in a hotel right now. I'm on vacation, and Wi-Fi is I don't get a good signal right here. Now, a lot of people, when they're confronted with a confrontation, like not confrontation, they confronted with something that's not going their way, they won't do it, or they, I make videos, daily videos, and my internet connection is bad. Now, a lot of people be like, "Oh, internet connection is bad. I'm not gonna make a video today." Well, look, I'm having to make a video right here in this little area just to get this little signal that I'm getting right now, because I'm holding myself accountable for my business. I hold myself accountable. Nobody's going to do this for me. So yeah, if I have to get in this little cubby hole right here, next to the wall, next to the bed, just to make these videos, I'm going to do it. I hold myself accountable. Um, if you want to be successful, you got to do every single thing that it takes to be successful, even if it means doing something you don't want to do. Just do it. I don't think it's going to load up here, but there's a video in the back of the office right here. How to create fiat currency with your GDAX account. Just watch that, and I'll show you how to do it. Once you send Bitcoin over, you've got to sell it into USD fiat currency. And here we go, right here. Once you send Bitcoin over, you're going to see some Bitcoin right there, right? And then, how much ever you send over, let's just say you send over 0.1. All right, you're going to hit sell, and then you're going to put 0.1 right there, and you're going to hit place sell order. But then that BTC is going to show up in USD, right? And then the bot's going to recognize it, and then it's going to start. Then your bot be able to start trading for you. But you got to do that, and that's one of the most confusing things that people mess up on or they don't understand. Also, make sure right up here that this says BTC USD. Make sure, because sometimes it has BCH USD or USD BCH. Make sure it says BTC USD. All right, guys. That's my daily video for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. And we'll see where the market heads. Hopefully, it head back up, as I can see consolidating now. And we'll see what it does tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow's results. If you have any questions, find me on Facebook, message me there, and I'll be glad to answer your questions.